All right, today we're working on a 1997 LS400. Customer mailed it in. I think this came out of Pennsylvania. They sent us the door lock, so we can go ahead and make the keys from scratch. They send us the Immobilizer unit, and they send the ECU. So we'll go ahead and make the keys from scratch, pre-program it. So basically, when customer gets this back, it's just plug and play. There will be no additional programming. Stick the key in, start the car, and that's it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. The keys are now cut and pre-programmed. Here you go. Works nice and smooth. That's going to be key. All right, that's going to be key number 3 actually. Key number 1. It's going to be key number 2. So those of you that receive keys from me, sometime you're going to see labels on them because that just corresponds to the file. Like when I program these, let me get my camera here. I just took a picture of my screen. All right, when I first start, you'll see it say the key does not recognize to the Immobilizer. That's usually when I first start. Of course, because I haven't programmed it yet. Here's key number 2, so that tells me that this is in the system. Key number 2, key number 1. Now, the way I do it is a little bit different than the way others may do it. Other people will put it in an auto learn mode, which means you're gonna pay them a few $100s, whatever you pay them. When you get the unit back, you physically have to introduce the keys to the car, which you're programming it yourself, and because they reset the system. Now, you have to do it in so many seconds. You know, you got so many seconds to turn it on, turn it off, introduce the next key, swap things out. And on this one, on the 97s, you have to resynchronize the Immobilizer unit back to the ECU. That's another 30-minute process. You have to go to the OBD port, short out some pins. Now, keep in mind, that procedure, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but that procedure relies on you, the end user, to do it correctly. And that's about it. But the way I do it, I physically read the data from the keys, write the data directly into the anti-theft system or Immobilizer. And as soon as you get it back, plug and play. That's it. There's no learning. That's it. You just plug it in, start the car, it's done. That's about it. So just keep that in mind. Now, a little background on me. I have something called the CAL, which is Certified Automotive Locksmith Certification. That's through our Locksmith Association. So if you're following me and you're watching a lot of my videos and you see what I do, I may talk a little technical sometimes, or you may hear that I have a lot of experience doing this, but that's about it. If you need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. Keep in mind, if you're in Georgia, we can come out, take care of the car. Or you could just take the stuff out, bring it to the office, and we'll handle it like that. But if you're in another state, the only way we can work is through the mail. We don't offer technical support for vehicles not in our area. So if you want us to tell you how to do things and how to fix your car and how to get it running, we can't do that. We can only tell you what you need to send us so we can do the job for you and get it done. And that's about it. Again, go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.